It's the final day of my coast-to-coast walk across England. I am leaving Egton Bridge and heading to Robin Hood's Bay. And yesterday I showed you the stepping stones, and for all my engineering friends, I thought I'd go ahead and share what's on the other side of those. This is an old mill, and you can see over here it was dammed up. And here's the weir where you could divert the water, and right there's the old mill house. And it's an absolutely excellent place to stay. And while it's not the original one, they even have put in a replica galvanized wheel. Yeah, the original would have been wood, but very nice touch. I have 17.5 miles left. Let's get started. Check out the steam train coming into Gromont. This is the Hermitage, and it's a little bit mysterious about who made it. Oh, I echo when I get really close to it, but it's a big boulder that's been hollowed out. And it says G+C 1790. And you can't really see. Let me turn my light on. But it is a really small place. And yeah, apparently there was a guy who lived here for a while. I'll have to look it up later, but there is some writing on it, but I think probably most of this is just graffiti of different people writing into it. It says something, I don't know, MSD, and has an arrow. That might be neat to look up later. This is Falling Falls. A very nice waterfall along the way. Of course, we have to go through one last boggy area before we can get to St. Bees. If you're going to be going through some real boggy areas or where you need to really use your trekking poles, then get some real trekking poles, not the ones I got. First sign for Robin Hood's Bay, 3.5 miles. Made it to the North Sea. Still got a little bit of ways to go to Robin Hood's Bay, but I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, there is 2 little waterfalls pouring out of the side of this cliff. Of course, the trip's not over yet. There is one final huge mud pit to go through. Absolutely amazing view. A little cloudy out there, but still amazing. I'm to the bay. Robin Hood's Bay should be in sight soon. There's Robin Hood's Bay, not much further. Okay, I am in Robin Hood's Bay, and in fact our B&B is right up there. But there is one tradition that I need to do. According to tradition, you pick up a rock at St. Bees, then you dip your feet in the water and you throw your rock out. There's lots of things I could reflect on about this trip, and I probably will. In fact, y'all have asked a lot of good questions, so maybe I'll do 20 questions about my trip to Robin Hood's Bay. And according to tradition, you stop at the Wainwright's Bar and you sign the ledger of Coast to Coast.